What's up guys, it's your girl Ella back with another video. So today's video is a get ready with me video. So if you guys did not check out my previous video and learn how to get these loose curl wave situation really what happened? Really quick, these curls. So if you'd like to see me achieve this in like 20 minutes, if that, go ahead and watch my previous video. I am using CoverGirl Trueland Based Business Skin Smoothing Primer. This is one of my fave primers from CoverGirl. Bomb.com. So smooth. Wonder how it looks with the light off. Do you guys like this with the light off, or should I do it with the light on? My CoverGirl brow pencil, and this is in the color Soft Brown. I can use this color and the color after it. Those are both of the eyebrow colors that, you know, show up on my, looks good on my face. Guys, I participated in the most jankiest giveaway ever. I was supposed to get my lashes done. I'm not sweating it because I didn't bug her about it. And I even asked if I could just get like half off the price instead of getting it for free. Just to get my lashes done, maybe I could pay you half, you know, get 50% off or something, instead of getting it completely for free. Of course she didn't respond to that. Girl is still really good at lashes. I don't think that she's bad at lashes, all because she played me. But I posted her on my page like crazy. I know for certain she gained followers from me. Even on occasion, I just shouted her out for being a good business in my city. It's no biggie. I just really want to tell you guys this story because your girl thought she had her lashes done. I'm really even nervous like to even just go to her. I'd rather go to someone else now, but she's great. Like her work is good. From what I see, that's why I participated in the giveaway. That's why I wanted to get my lashes done by her. All this extra stuff going on, you know, her not responding. Though she may be busy, something's going on. And that's fine. I'm understanding. I'm not making this video to dog her out. I'm just stating facts. So I'm really putting myself on blast because I thought I was getting my lashes done. I was supposedly a winner chicken dinner, loser, pepper snoozer. I'm never really into entering giveaways anymore. First of all, I never win. Second of all, something like that happens. I just don't want to get my lashes done by her because I just feel like I'm just going to be faking the fuck. I'll get my lashes done in due time. I don't need them done for free. Just an opportunity that I wanted to seize. I played myself. I won't be really entering any more giveaways. Low-key a waste of time. Even if you do win, as you guys can see. I really want to get my lashes done. Never had my lashes did before, like the lash extension thing. Looking forward to getting them done. Besides that janky stuff, I'm trying to watch B Love's Life. Do you guys know about her? She is a mukbanger, however you say it. And I love her videos, y'all. What is wrong with me? Why am I sitting here enjoying watching someone eat? I love her videos. I think I like her videos more so because her personality is just so authentic. Because her family, like, everybody just bounces off of each other and it'd be like a good little show. I really like when her husband or Darius or her other son is in the video because it'd be really funny. It'd be a lot to talk about. I'm more of a fan of those mukbangs she put up. I'm not a big fan of her separate mukbangs because I don't think I'm a real mukbang fanner. I don't think I'm a real fan of the mukbang community because I like the entertainment part. I just think that it's real cute. But I can't really watch her by herself anymore because I'm not into the smacking and watching her eat, you know? I like when it's a conversation, like a family dinner type situation. Well, guys, I'm super sorry. I just lined my eyebrows with ColourPop Dark 44 and there's no filter concealer. Giving a good halo brow today. Even though I don't really need it because my brows are looking good, but I also like to use my concealer that I use on my brows as a primer for my, you know, for my eye look, you know. So next I am just taking my Airspun, the original formula, okay, the loose face powder, and I just put it on my eyelids to set this concealer. I'm going to be using the Plain and Makeup by Yolanda Gem Rock Universal Palette, bomb.com. If y'all didn't know, go watch that review. That'll be down in the description below. In the description box below, what I'm going to do today. So we're just about to wing it, and I'm looking at this color Yardy, which is this green color, and it was screaming my name. I work, you know, through it from there. We're gonna figure it out from there. I'm gonna start it in the crease. A video on how to start up YouTube, what I use and all that stuff is going to come soon. I think I'm going to record it this week actually. I get that question a lot. Flood it in my DMs. I get it in the comments. And at first I was trying to respond to people and tell them individually, but I'm like, okay, now I didn't answer this person, I gotta go to here. I didn't DM this person back, and I gotta go to here. It's a lot, so I'd rather just do one video to help you guys out so you all can go on there and watch it. Then if you guys have extra questions, I will go back to answering individually, because right now that was just not working for me. I am going to go ahead and with the Tropical. Tropical is this green color, this light green. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going right above the darker green. I'm going to do a cut crease, so I'm going to use my concealer, my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Light 18. I'm taking my NYX pigment. I have some glitter glue on my hand. Going in with this first. I'm using this matte lipstick as an eyeliner. So I take as much as I can get off the brush. You see that? This flat brush right here, really flat. It's flat, flat. You feel me? And I'm going in on both sides. Y'all gotta see this, okay? Secret. So. Okay, so we got our eye, okay. Then I go ahead with my lash glue and I'm putting my lashes on. These lashes are Eyeliner lashes. Okay guys, so next I'm going in with my Lancome Ultra Wear Makeup Stick. It's a foundation stick, I believe 555. Here it is, 555 suede. With that same Airspun translucent powder. Guys, this is my favorite brush. I use this to contour and use my blush. I don't know why it's my favorite brush. I think it's angled perfectly to just really help me out, and it cuts my worries like in half. But right now I'm just using my Buxom and Pure palette. Oh, I said Buxom. They must be thinking about me. BoxyCharm and Pure palette when I used to do BoxyCharm. I got this palette and I used the dark brown for contour. So I love this brush though. I got it from Ulta. Oh, it's a blush brush. But this is what I use to contour, blush, all of that. And next I have this Saharan blush palette, which is from Juvia's Place. Is my fingers ashy? I love this blush palette. You would think this is my only blush palette, but it's not. But I love using this, and I love using all the colors. Honestly, truly, Abby and Neo is my favorite. Okay. I'm gonna be using my Hello Gregory Seafoam Pearl highlighter. I love this stuff. It's bomb.com. I apply it with this little slim angle brush. I have my Fit Me Matte Poreless Mocha Powder in 365. It's a pressed powder. And I just use this to wipe away. Up the highlight on my cheekbones. And I'll be right back, you know, to show you guys the final touches. Okay guys, this is the finished look. As you guys can see, it's the perfect, it's the wave that I was aiming for. Okay, I got my hair all blended in. My forehead is big, I know that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I said it was gonna be like a get ready with me, but it partially was because you guys were getting ready with me. So it makes it a get ready with me. Am I wrong or am I right? Am I wrong or am I right? I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked the look. Not sure what I was going for, but it happened and it kind of worked together. So yeah, it's a little dark in here. We're gonna turn the light on. That's it for my get ready with me. It's a little dark, I feel like, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, subscribe button. If you want to leave a comment, but make sure you are following me in my what? Coming into the what? Coming into what? Please go ahead, check out the description box, check out my previous videos, make sure you follow my social media accounts. I love to follow you guys back as long as you are consistent, you're posting good feed. If your feed's good, then I'm in your hood. This is like a two-part video. This is the second part to the vlog slash get ready with me part 1. This is the rest of get married with me part 2. So yeah, thank you guys. I love you guys so much. Kisses, kisses, kisses.